Okay, so one more thing is to actually do your meta title and description, right? So you can use Koala Chat for this. I actually use this a lot when Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and when Claude is kind of like backed up or it's too busy or you only have a certain amount of prompts or something, you can actually, when you have a paid account, you can use Koala Chat. So I actually use this a lot because yeah, just come here straight away because it always works and it's got connected to the internet, right? So yeah, so just copying my title, right? So there's my title and I copy that in. Just do forward slash description and then it'll create a meta description for you here. So yeah, I just copy these in and then just ask for a meta title. Okay, so there it is, gives you a meta title. All right. Personally, I don't believe in this anymore, right? Because what I noticed was that Google was changing all of the meta descriptions and that I was putting in. So I'd end up writing something like this, trying to capture attention or something, and then Google would just change it or pull from the article the most important part. So this is a part I don't really do anymore, but the clients want that, and I guess it's standard SEO practice. Not for me, but I guess that might be controversial, maybe not, but that's just the way I feel about it. So there are actually loads of prompts here as well, so you can do like different things here. So LSI keywords for a topic, that's really good. So if you want to add some keywords, right, you can do that, or by URL. So you want to if you have a competitor's URL, you can get all the LSI. That's kind of like the related or those keywords that should be there, right? So best voice agents, could be like voice assistants or, all these kind of like similar words should be there, and you can get the prompts or get all the list of words. So that could be helpful. As like give this to or give it to Perplexity and write me a paragraph based on this, or add this into my sprinkle these words into my article or something like that. And loads of good stuff here. Yeah. Welcome emails. The ones that I use the most, yeah, are the the title and meta description. But yeah, tons of little tools here as well that you can use at your disposal.